Hello everyone, today we will compare Visible and Mint Mobile, two budget-friendly mobile service providers. So they are known for their affordability and reliability, and they are changing the game when it comes to staying connected. So in this comparison, we will dive deep into their features, pricing, pros and cons, network coverage and speed, customer service and support, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created the presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Visible or Mint Mobile, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I'll earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discount on signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's go directly on their features. So as you can see, when it comes to networks, Visible utilize Verizon networks to provide its services. So if you don't know what Visible or Verizon network is, this is the one of the most famous network providers on the US. So they are, they provide very good coverage when it comes to network. So when it comes to Mint Mobile, they use T-Mobile's networks infrastructure to provide its services. So just like Verizon, T-Mobile is also one of the best network providers on USA or probably the whole world. So yeah, they are both very good network providers. So yeah, Visible and Mint Mobile, when it comes to network providers, they are equal. So when it comes on bringing multi-month plans for data, as you can see, Visible doesn't offer it, and you will know the reason later. And while the Mint Mobile offers, multi-month plans. So they offer a lot of plans for more comprehensive data options, and yeah, that's the reason. So when it comes to Wi-Fi calling, as you can see, Visible doesn't offer Wi-Fi calling, and that speaks for their customer service, and you will also know the reason later. While the Mint Mobile is very perfect for Wi-Fi calling because the T-Mobile networks and the Mint Mobile has the best customer service in the world. So let's go to their additional perks. So as you can see, Visible is known for their party pay and unlimited hotspot, while Mint Mobile is known for their comprehensive data options because they offer multi-month plans and Wi-Fi calling for their customer service. So as you can see, Visible have unlimited hotspot, and you will know it later when I show you the network and coverage speed comparison. So yeah, that's all for the features comparison, and you will know more about their secret or additional features when we go to the other phase of the video. So now let's go first on the pricing comparison. So this is their pricing comparison. So as you can see, Visible has only single plan with unlimited data, voice, and text for $40 per month, including taxes and fees. So in comparison, Mint Mobile offers a variety of plans with different data amounts and durations, and the price are based on the selected data allowance and the term of the plan. So with introductory rates for the first 3 months. So that is very perfect because people will have a chance to save money because of the cheaper price that Mint Mobile provides for their plans. So they are, as low, you can get as low of $15 per month for a data plans, and that includes introductory for the first 3 months. So people have a chance to, pay in advance. So in result, their total payment or total fees will be reduced at the end of the month because of that. So yeah, they will get a more cheaper price for data plans, but only for limited data. While on the other hand, Visible offers unlimited data. So yeah, it might be expensive for some people to pay $40 per month, but they will get unlimited data. So connected to their pricing, let's go to their network coverage and speed. And as you can see, Visible solely use Verizon's LTE and 5G network. So while its base plan provides unlimited data at a lower priority than Verizon postpaid plans, it is still fast enough for most customers. So the premium Visible Plus plans provide 50 gig of premium data for quicker speed as well as international travel and calling features. So that is one of the best perks of Visible that people look into. So when it comes to network coverage, as you can see, it's excellent. They are operated by Verizon, and on the Mint Mobile, they are operated by T-Mobile. So good network coverage for both parties. But when it comes to access of 5G, Yes, on the visible part, but only on the visible plus plan. So when you are using single plan on visible, you cannot use 5G of access. So when it comes to hotspot data speed, yes, it is unlimited data, but the speed is only 5 Mbps. So they are fixed speed for unlimited data. And for the international features, as I said, they are available on visible plus by, they provide you 50 gig premium of data. So on the other hand, Mint Mobile, yes, network coverage, very good. T-Mobile, so yeah, they are one of the best. So when it comes to having access on 5G, they have access on 5G networks on all of their plans. So all of their multi-month plans, includes 5G access. So while on the Visible, they're only available when you have Visible Plus plans. So on the Mint Mobile, you can have 5G access on all plans. So when it comes to their hotspot data speed, it varies by plan, and the data speed and also the data capacity also varies by plans. So they could be low speed, low data, and it depends on what plans you are choosing. So for a cheaper plan, it may be a lower speed and low data, but on a higher plan, it can be a great speed and great data. So when it comes to international features, they are not. I think as of now, Mint Mobile doesn't have any international features. But yeah, the best thing Mint Mobile have for now is their multi-month plans. So yeah, that this is very good. So that is for the network coverage and speed. Let's go to their customer service and support. And as you can see, Visible has limited customer options such as chat and email assistance. So the base subscription doesn't even have provide phone support, but the premium Visible plan does have. So also the Visible, they have Visible community forums for useful information for the customers. But yeah, this is the only thing that they have when it comes to customer service. While on the other hand, Mint Mobile is very top notch and known for their customer service. They offers customer support through various means. You can directly speak to helpful representative over the phone. You can easily find answers to your queries on their website, and you can engage with other users in the Mint community forums for advice and shared experience. So when it comes to Mint Mobile, or when it comes to customer service and support, Mint Mobile is very, has a huge gap compared to Visible. So that is one of the best thing that Mint Mobile has over Visible. And yeah, that's it. So that's it for their customer service and support. So now let's go on their pros and cons. So we will discuss the pros and cons on both Visible and Mint Mobile. But first, let's go to the Visible pros. So as you can see, people acknowledge their unlimited access to data and they use as much internet needed without worrying about running out of data or being slowed down. And also, they operate on the reliable Verizon network and they provide good network coverage because of that. And also with party pay discounts, one of their additional perks, people can save money by sharing their chosen plan with their friends or family members, and the more people in their group, the lower their bills. So that is very good. And also they includes unlimited hotspot data. So yeah, that's the best thing on Visible. They offer unlimited data with fixed speed, so you will not have any worry about running out or being slowed down. So when it comes to their cons, the only thing I can say about their cons is that while unlimited, data speeds may be slower compared to Mint Mobile. I'm not saying they're slow, but when it comes to data speed, they are slower compared to Mint Mobile. So if you want to choose more higher speed, I think Mint Mobile is more of a preferred platform for you. So as you can see, Visible also has a fewer customer service channels. So their customer service is really not that okay compared to Mint Mobiles that has excellent customer service support. So yeah, that's it for the pros and cons on Visible. Now let's go to the Mint Mobile pros. So they operates on T-Mobile network, and yeah, as I said, offering good coverage, especially in urban areas. So while on the Visible, they offer good coverage in rural areas, the Mint Mobile offers good coverage in urban areas. So they offer plans starting as low as $15 per month. So people can get service they need at a budget-friendly price. So gives options to save money by purchasing plans for 3 to 6 or 12 months upfront by committing to a longer period. Also, people can enjoy discount rates compared to monthly plans. So their multi-month plans is very perfect compared to visible single plans. So because you will now you can get a more comprehensive data managing options. So also they supports Wi-Fi calling and texting, and that say very much about their customer service because they support Wi-Fi calling and texting. So you don't have to purchase a load on your mobile phone. You can just use your Wi-Fi data for calling and texting. So when it comes to Mint Mobile cons, we only have one that they offer limited plans of data service. So compared to Visible that offers unlimited data, while Mint Mobile offers higher speeds, they provide slower data. So if you are heavy users of data, I think Mint Mobile is not that perfect for you because Visible has unlimited data. So I suggest that you go on visible data if you are a heavy user of data. And yeah, that's it for the Visible and Mint Mobile pros and cons. So now let's go to the last section, which I will now say which platform is best for you. So let's talk about who should choose Visible. So Visible and Mint Mobile are both popular mobile data service providers, but they have different advantages and disadvantages. So who would choose Visible depends on several factors, so such as data access. So as I said earlier, Visible offers unlimited data on the Verizon network. And because of that, they offer good network coverage as well as very good unlimited data. So when it comes to data access, yeah, Visible is perfect. So when it comes to budget, Visible standard plan starts at $30 per month, giving it an economical alternative for consumers wishing to reduce their phone expenses. And also, Visible operates on Verizon's LTE and 5G networks. So as I said, people receive greater coverage and particularly in rural areas. So if you live in rural areas, yeah, Verizon network is perfect for you and as well as Visible. So also the party pay discount. So Visible distinctive party pay feature enables customers to join a group plan and save more money. So when it comes to having flexible data, Visible also provides limitless hotspot data at a maximum speed of 5 Mbps. So if you are, consumes a lot of data for streaming, downloads or hotspots usage, if you want to receive higher network coverage, if you want to gather your friends or family for additional discounts, and if you want to use your phone as a hotspot, Visible platform is perfect for you. So that's it for Visible. Now I'm going to, discuss why Mint Mobile is perfect for you. So as you can see, Mint Mobile, when it comes to budget, Mint Mobile is very affordable. So compared to Visible, Mint Mobile offers service plan as low as $15 per month. So their flexibility, the Mint Mobile allows customers to pay in advance for a specific number of months, 3, 6, or 12. And the longer the service plan, the lower the monthly cost on average. So yeah, this is the introductory payment that I said earlier. And when it comes to network coverage, we all know that the T-Mobile network, which provides excellent coverage in urban areas. So if you live in urban areas, yeah, the T-Mobile network is very perfect for you. So when it comes to the no service contracts, Mint Mobile does not lock clients into long-term commitments, and the prepaid plans offer greater flexibility. So their additional perks and features Mint Mobile offers include 5G mobile hotspotting and cheap data allowance. And furthermore, the Mint Mobile is partly owned by Ryan Reynolds. So yeah, you heard that, the actor Ryan Reynolds. So if you are looking to save on wireless bill without compromising on coverage, if you live on urban areas and need for high network coverage, if you want to choose more comprehensive options for data plan, budget usage, cheaper price, and need some help for reliable customer service, and want flexibility in terms of managing your data service, Mint Mobile is very perfect for you. So I suggest, if you have all of these, qualities, I suggest that you choose Mint Mobile over Visible. And yeah, that's it for the Mint Mobile. So now, as you can see, in conclusion, in the comparison, we'll look at Visible and Mint Mobile offerings. Whether you are a data hog or a frugal user, both providers have their advantages. So Visible stands out for its unlimited internet, the verizon network stability, and unique party-pay features. So if you want unlimited streaming and hotspot freedom, Visible has you covered. On the other hand, Mint Mobile offers low prices, flexible contracts, and T-Mobile's metropolitan coverage, and also backed down by Ryan Reynolds, aka Deadpool. So yeah, when it comes to choosing a wireless service provider, both Visible and Mint Mobile offer compelling options tailored to different needs and preferences. Visible stands out with its emphasis on simplicity and unlimited data, providing a hassle-free experience for those who prioritize seamless connectivity without worrying about data caps or hidden fees. And on the other hand, Mint Mobile shines with its flexible plans and affordable pricing, making it an excellent choice for those seeking budget-friendly options without compromising on quality. So whether you prioritize unlimited data and simplicity with Visible or value flexibility and affordability with Mint Mobile, rest assured that there's a plan to suit your unique needs. So now, with the knowledge that I gave you from this presentation, it's your turn to make the decision that best fits your lifestyle and preferences. So now, the question is, which platform will you choose? That's all for this video. Thank you.